Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you another site that I use to drive free traffic to my website or my referral link. And the site I'm talking about, it's another traffic exchange site and it's called finesttraffic.com. Now, before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, hit that like button, I'd appreciate it. Feel free to share the video any way you possibly can. Now let me just log into my Finest Traffic account. And by the way, this is a free site to join. I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. And today's video is gonna be just a presentation of this site for those of you who are searching for other sites, for new sites on a daily basis. And probably you have heard of this, probably not. However, bear with me with this video. So this is the dashboard of my account, and on this side there are some interesting features. We are gonna get through them one by one. So this is the dashboard, and unfortunately I haven't been able to be active online um, for the past 2 weeks. As you can see, even last week I managed only to serve 2 pages because I couldn't. So that's why, unfortunately, uh, are these statistics here are zero. All right. Anyway, so this is the dashboard of my account, and as everywhere else on the dashboard, you will find the daily news or other notifications, private messages, and of course the daily price, which you have just to click here and you will earn a different price every time. Might be the same as well, but it varies from day to day. And let's jump right into the surfing page so we can see how it looks like. And there is a 8 seconds surfing session. As you can see, is quite easy to navigate. You just wait until the timer runs off. You solve the captcha here. You choose the same picture as the one in the left, and then you will jump right next to the other site, the other link, and you will earn, as you can see here, 0.5 credits for each surf. And of course, to advertise your URL, you will spend 1 credit. That's obvious. Okay, so let's just jump into the home page again. This is the surfing feature. Now let's jump into advertising. So say you surfed a lot, you have a lot of credits, and now you want to use them to advertise. So we just go here to my ads, and there are different ways of advertising, and basically they are the same ways through sites or create a website in other sites, banners, square banners, text ads, splash pages, the auto assign feature, of course, add the spotlight and transfer credits. Now this spotlight is this right here, and you can as you can see, add spotlight, so you can reserve yours as long as you click here, and then you enter the necessary URLs, which I've already described countless times on my channel, and I'm not going to go through them again right now. And the ad spotlight will appear on the dashboard, as you can see here, for each user that logs in on the day that you have the spotlight. Okay, so sorry, creating sites is quite simple. You just go to sites here, and then you enter URL, you enter a catchy title, then you click on save. You will have to wait until Finest Traffic verifies your URL, that it does not go against whatever criteria they have, as you can tell right here, and then you click on confirm site, and there you go. Just remember that whenever you add or remove a site, remember also to adjust the auto assign feature. You must have at least 90%. So if you add another or remove another site, make sure that you have 90% assigned of your credits, otherwise you won't be able to surf at all. So let's just jump to banners. Is the same thing. You just need the target URL and then an image URL. You just click on save and you assign banner impressions or credits, and 10 banner impressions, 10 views on your banner will take 1 credit out of your credit balance. Okay. The same goes for square banners, but in this case you have, apparently I don't have none, but in this case the image URL, you have to find the image URL of a banner that it is a squared one with dimensions 125, 125, alright? It's not the same banner as we just saw like this, which is 468 by 60, alright? The other way to advertise, of course, are text ads. The same goes here. You just enter the same as sites. Okay, you just enter the targeted URL and then a catchy title. Then you will click on save and assign text ad impressions, just like this on this column. For example, 280 as I have, and click on enter. And there you go, assigned already. Or you can use your credits, and for 20 views you will spend only 1 credit. Alright? Now these are the splash pages, which I'm not gonna go through them, but as you can tell, this is where you put the referral link, banner URL, and a catchy text for users to attract attention. Alright, now let's get to the other feature, and of course, sorry, you can also transfer credits to your referrals, to your downline if you want to, if you have enough, alright? Or in order to thank them once in a while if they are active, and of course you earn credits by them as well. So you can, if you don't have time to surf, obviously you can purchase credits or other advertising goods. And let's jump to affiliate. Now, as you can tell here, I'm the 2500th user, so there are more than, probably by now they might have reached 3000 users. Okay, but trust me, it provides real traffic. The difference between real traffic and unique traffic, if we always use leads lib to compare those features, it's quite low. So it provides, which is normal for traffic exchange sites that provide good and quality traffic. Okay, so this is the referral link. Here are some splash pages you can use. Here are some HTML codes that you can use to paste them on your website back office, and thus the banner will appear, etc., etc. Okay, and of course there are the commissions. Now, commissions you get by your referrals, or you can get by surfing, but we'll get into that in the soon to come features, in the other features. Okay, and here is the all the options for your account: dashboard, profile, social branding, upgrade if you want to upgrade your account, and of course there is a piggy bank balance here. Again, transfer credits, account statistics, and finance traffic statistic. Let's just take a look at this. Members surfing now 8, members surfed yesterday 111, not bad. And as you can see, other surfing feature. Website shown today 12,000. Website shown all time more than 27 millions. All right. Total members. Oh, apparently there have been some reduction. Here is 2400. I thought it would be more. So they have paid new members this month 65. Oh, okay, well, you can see that it's growing on a daily basis, right? So commission, probably the reduction was because of inactivity. A lot of members probably were inactive for a long time and got their accounts suspended, and it doesn't show here. However, they have been paid almost $1 for each member, as you can see here. Okay, but I use this site because trust me when I say it provides real traffic. All right, now let's jump to credit pools. I'm gonna be brief with these other features. Now basically credit pools is sharing of the credits. Okay, if you serve these pages or this much pages, etc., you will qualify to earn your share, your part of a share credits pool. All right, so if you serve 498 pages more to qualify, you will qualify for this prize pool for 500 credits, and you will get a share of this qualification. Okay, or if you want, you can serve a lot more even, until you get $4.10. But zombie zone pools, so these are pools with cash prices. Okay, this is a game, a feature that this site has. We're gonna go through it very briefly because I don't play games. I think it's a waste of time, and that's why there is this big number of zombie kills in order to get qualified, and you need that many to get qualified. Okay, so I don't play this game. Anyway, you can check all these details on your own time. Maybe you find something that you can handle, or it's good for you, it's fine for you. Okay, and token challenge is basically quite the same thing. Okay, the more you serve, the more tokens you earn, and then you can trade these tokens only for piggy bank balance, which you can use only on finest traffic. So you cannot withdraw whatever amount you have there. You can use only for finest traffic to upgrade or to purchase different advertising goods. All right. Okay, I don't know why this is not. Okay, there you go. So you need a lot, 25,000 for $1 piggy cash, okay, not cash, and 125,000 for $5, and so on, so on until you get $10 for 2,500,000. Sorry, 250,000. Sorry, you get the idea. All right. And now this is the next feature. This one, partner site pool, is the one that got me using this site particularly, because the more on the more sites that you create account on this feature, through this feature, it means that if you serve at least 50 pages on each site, you will earn points which will then be converted to commissions. Now, the more sites you serve on these partner site pools, okay, you can create accounts on all of them, or you can choose which one to use, etc. I have accounts on like 7 of these or 6 of these, I don't know, that I serve at the same time to earn as many points as I can from each of them. And then every week, every end of the week, every Sunday, points are converted to cash. And as you can see, since I haven't been active active for at least 2 weeks, I have 0 points, thus 0 cash in my for this week. All right, but the price is $45. So if I start surfing, I will get a share of this price. The more I surf, the more I will earn. Okay, so, and besides all of this, obviously it goes without saying, in the meantime, you gain traffic, real traffic, out of all these partner sites pool. All right. And Zombie Zone is the game. Enter the Zombie Zone and how to play. You can read the instructions if you have a lot of free time and you want to try it out. I haven't tried it out, so I don't have much to tell you about this feature. And of course there is the downline builder, and as you can see, there are a lot of traffic exchange sites that you can use to build your downline: email marketing sites, co-ops, tools, resources, and Bitcoin programs. But here is only the site freebitco.in, which I already have my affiliate ID. All right, now if you get referrals for finest traffic and they sign up in wherever site that they want, they will be your referrals on these sites as well, automatically. All right, and again, it goes without saying, for every purchase they made, you make a commission. And of course, you can also contact support, or you can reference the frequently asked questions for any further questions that you might have. But as you can see, this is not difficult to use and to navigate on. And like I said, take a look at this partner site pool, because this is the reason why I'm using this site. Besides the traffic that I get out of all the other partner sites, I also earn points which then are converted to cash. But I'm not saying this because you can earn money and quit your 9 to 5 job due to finance traffic commissions, right? This is not a, as I've mentioned countless times before on traffic exchange sites, yeah, you can make money, but that is not the purpose of this site. The purpose of these sites is to provide traffic to whatever you are promoting. And if you earn cash, piggy bank, credits, etc., I suggest that you use it, whatever you earn, within the same site to purchase advertising goods or upgrades. Alright? So, I think I'm gonna leave this video with this for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and again, I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video. Just click on it. It will take you to the create account page. Is 100% free to join, and then you can start using it and trying it and testing it. Maybe it doesn't work for you, but maybe it will work pretty well. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.